Ever grappled with the problem of mismatched audio and video? Picture this: a perfectly edited video with visuals that captivate and tell a story, but the audio just doesn't sync. It's like watching a beautifully choreographed dance, only the music is playing from a different room. It's frustrating, isn't it? Not to mention it can completely throw off the entire mood of the video. Enter the ingenious solution by Blackcoffer, a leading tech firm in India. Blackcoffer, with its 12 years of experience, has a history of providing expert insights to numerous companies, including Fortune 500 corporations. This time, they have tackled the problem of audio-video mismatch head-on and have come up with an innovative solution. The problem of mismatched audio and video is more common than you'd think in the entertainment industry. It's not just about the timing. The lip-syncing needs to match the dialogue or lyrics perfectly for the video to look professional. And this is where Blackcoffer's solution comes into play. Blackcoffer has created two separate files that perform two different operations. The first replaces the original audio with the new one and extracts only the video from the original. The second takes the muted video and replaced audio, providing us with the output of the new replaced audio lip sync. This is done using a predefined model called WAV2lip on GitHub. In essence, Blackcoffer has revolutionized the way we edit videos. It's not just about slapping on a new audio track onto a video anymore. It's about ensuring the lip sync matches the new audio perfectly. And this is done with the help of Python programming, data science techniques, and the use of databases provided by the company. So the next time you find yourself struggling with mismatched audio and video, remember there's a solution out there. Blackcoffer has not only identified the problem, but has provided an innovative and efficient solution. They've made it possible to create professional, high-quality videos without the headache of mismatched audio, and that in itself is a game changer. This solution was designed and developed by the Blackcoffer team. For more information, you can contact them through their website, www.blackcoffer.com, or reach out to them directly via email, Skype, WhatsApp, or Telegram. In a world where content is king, there's no room for errors like mismatched audio and video. And thanks to solutions like the one provided by Blackcoffer, we're one step closer to achieving perfection in video editing.